Hi guys, today's topic is MIUI 12 update just arrived in MI Note 9 Pro. So let's get started. If you are a user of MI Note 9 Pro, you can easily download the system update by turning on the internet. Then you have to go to settings. Then you have to simply click on update. See, this is the highlights of the system update. There are so many changes and so many new features in the system update. See, this is only this much. Then you have to simply click on download update. Then you have to click on download. Then you have to wait until it downloads. And it is about only 755 MB. And there are so many bugs fixed in this system update. See, the downloading and decrypting process is now completed. You can now easily press on reboot now. See, it is now rebooting. Then you have to click on next. See, this is a new feature. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on next. These are some features. And there is a new floating windows feature. Then you have to click on next. See, there is a new control center feature. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to again click on next. Then you have to click on skip. Then you have to click on update now. See, these are some new features. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.